Welcome everybody. Right now I wanted to show you how you can easily create sections in Asana. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in a semicolon your project and just click button here and you will find it here, add section. So when I'm going to add a new section, I will just write here YouTube 2 and I can just easily put it here. And then I can just delete this section and delete this section right here and also delete section here. So this is how you can again. So here on this small arrow, add section, Snapchat graphic. So voila. And to move it, you just move it like here. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe and like this video. Thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.